Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by opening the screenshot toolbar with CMD plus Shift plus 5. This replaces separate snipping tools and gives 3 capture modes. Choose the mode you need: entire screen for full context, window for app-specific grabs, or selected portion to crop immediately. Once done, click Options to pick a save location, enable a 5 or 10-second timer if you need to position elements, and toggle the floating thumbnail to preview edits before saving. You refine captures by dragging the selection and holding space to reposition it. That prevents starting over and speeds accuracy. When snapping a window, hover and click its highlight to ensure clean edges without overlapping menus. After capture, click the floating thumbnail quickly and choose markup to crop, annotate, or blur sensitive info. Make sure to use undo and the shape tools for consistency. These small edits explain why screenshots are useful communication artifacts rather than just images. You finish by selecting a final save location in Options or dragging the thumbnail into Finder, then use the Share button to send via mail, messages, AirDrop, or an app like Slack. Make sure to name files consistently and use PNG for quality or JPG to save space. If screenshots won't capture app content, open System Settings, go to Privacy and Security, enable screen recording for that app, then restart it. This permission fix resolves most capture failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.